How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I've bought another car. This car I've just bought to flip off, so I'm buying it to sell. It's a Toyota Auris SR, so it's a sport version. I'm literally walking towards it right now. Let me get to it and I'll show you guys what I've bought. So here she is, the Toyota Auris SR 2009. The SR is basically the sports version, and it comes with this spoiler which makes it look very nice actually. I don't really know much about these cars, but I know the SR do come with a spoiler. It's a cheap car. It's got a dodgy clutch, but yeah, inside's all clean. It's got 107,000 miles, nearly 108,000. It's a nice car, looks nice inside and out. Manual. Yeah, I don't know much about these cars. I got offered it cheap, and I'm just going to quickly flip her off. As you can see, the SR badge there, Auris SR. It's nice. Bodywork's not the best. If I go around the car, you can see it over here. Over here, this has come off. I know these are the SR alloys that they come with. It's nice. Front. Oh, this is quite bad here. Yeah. Around the car. This side's not too bad, to be fair. Like I said, ooh, this bit's actually quite bad. Right, guys, so I'm thinking of just taking it for a spin around the block, just to test out the clutch. £600 if anyone wants it. £600, no offers. So if you want it, message me on my Instagram. I'll leave all my details in the description below. So check that. If you're interested, message me. It might be sold by the time you see this. But yeah, it's a good car for first or second cars if anyone's interested. Yeah, it's nice. Sounds nice as well. I've just seen some actually. Let me flip this camera around. I've just noticed this dent over here. But yeah, like I said, I'm not fixing this one. This one's just to buy and sell off straight away. I'm not bothering with anything on it. Don't want it to cost me too much. But yeah, let's go for that quick spin. Right, so I'm in the car right now. It's alright, it's not too bad. The seats are quite comfy. Only issue, I've got a broken foot. It's been broken for the past month and a half. I don't know if it's a good idea me testing this clutch, but for the content, let's do it. I'm just going to take it on the block. Yeah, that clutch is quite bad. It's more or less non-existent, but the car does move. Yeah, it's not bad. Got a cup holder here as well. Ooh. This car sounds nice, man. That's just seatbelt warning, like, just ignore it, You know what, to say my foot's broken, spoke too soon there, but I can change gears and everything. Yeah, it's alright, it's not that bad. It is speeding up. Wow, look at that. What's that here? Nissan GTR. Wow, that is stunning. Right. Let's get this car parked up. Yeah, you know what? This clutch really doing. I'm gonna find out labour costs. So if anyone does want this car, it might actually be worth it for you guys. For a new clutch, it'll cost about £75. Labour will be about £150, I reckon. So it'll cost about £250 all in to get this clutch sorted. Bodywork's obviously not the best, but for £600 you're getting a bargain of a car. Oh, it's gonna be bad because I'm going uphill. Oh. That sounds lovely. bargain for this car. So if anyone wants it, message me on my Instagram. It'll be in the description below. Yeah, it's a mission. My foot's hurting there. Let me just put this up. Yeah, £600 if anyone wants this car. No offers. I'm not going lower than £600. Yeah, clutch, it'll cost you about £250. So around about £850. You've got a decent car. Sounds nice. Drives with the clutch now. With the clutch, will drive alright. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a bit of a short one, but yeah, I've literally just seen the car. I thought let's film it quickly. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you guys in the next one.